Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to delete IMO account permanently. Firstly, you need to open your IMO app. Make sure that you have logged into the account that you want to delete. At the top left corner, tap on profile icon and then tap on settings. Now again you need to tap on account and security. When you enter on the account and security section, then at the last of the screen you can see delete IMO account. Tap on it. You will be notified that the following data will be permanently deleted if you delete this account. Then tap on apply to delete. You must choose a reason to delete the account. After that, tap on continue to delete. You must enter your phone number to delete your IMO account. You will be notified the important notice. If you agree these terms and conditions, then tap on agree and delete. You will be asked, are you sure you want to apply to delete your account? Tap on delete. And this is how you can delete IMO account permanently. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.